Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I'll show you how to enable the Talkback. And to get started, you will want to navigate into the settings, and from here we're gonna go into, just turn on list view just so it's easier. So we're gonna go into accessibility, vision, and then select Talkback. Choose turn on, and now it's on.
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision.
So that is how you turn it on, and to now navigate through this, while the Talkback is on, you will use two fingers to scroll normally up and down, and basically just two pages, flick between them. And to actually select things, for instance like going back, you tap on it once to select it, as you can see like so, and then double click that same area to then go back. And as you can see, using two fingers, you should be able just to scroll up and down. With one finger, as you can see, it doesn't do anything. So I'm gonna now disable it. So there we go. That is how you would enable and use this mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.